start. Hello, Rajesh. How are you?
I'm fine. Good evening, sir. I am fine, sir. Thank you. And you?
Good evening. Good evening. I'm also fine. How's your life?
My life is good, sir. And yours?
It's fantastic. Rajesh, could you tell me something about you?
Of course, sir.
Please tell.
Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me the great chance. Today, I am interviewing myself. My name is Rajesh Kumar Shukla. I am belong Riva, district of Madhya Pradesh. My my father was in army, but now he has retired from army. My mother is housewife. There is my one elder brother. He is teacher, and I am a soldier. And my qualification, I have done BSc in math group, sir.
Okay, great. So, tell me, when did you join Indian Army?
Sir, I joined Indian Army 2010 towards, sir.
In 2010.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
you have passed around 11 years, right?
Yes, sir. I have
Okay.
completed 11 years.
So, how's your experience in Indian Army?
More, more experience, sir. Good, uh, there is good physical. There is, uh, there is more facility, and there is canteen facility and warrant facility. Many type facility in Indian Army, sir.
Okay, what's your work there?
My trade, sir, electrician. I have to work electrician only.
Okay,
Only vehicle electrician, sir.
okay,
There is
okay,
no electricity AC electrician.
okay. And where are you posted right now?
Now time I am posted in Himachal Pradesh, sir.
You are in Himachal Pradesh and you belong to Riva, Madhya Pradesh, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you like Himachal Pradesh?
Yes, sir. I like Himachal Pradesh.
Okay. So tell me about the places worth visiting in Himachal Pradesh.
Sir, I visited Kaja and Nako Jheel, and one time went Shimla, and now time present in sir Rampur district, Rampur.
Okay, great. And what places are worth visiting in Riva?
Sir, there is a one place, sir, and there is a two white tiger. More people come to see, sir, and uh, and one school, one Sainik school in Riva.
Okay. So Rajesh, as you have told, you have done BSc. Why didn't you do
Yes, sir.
anything else after BSc? Why didn't you study further?
Sir, I was running my BSc, but I run I was running first year. I I joined in army, sir, because
Okay.
that's why I I I could not complete my BSc regular, sir.
Okay. When you were doing BSc first year, you joined Indian Army. Due to that, you could not complete
Yes,
your
sir.
study further. Okay.
Then in 2016 again I took admission BSc, sir,
Okay.
in
Okay.
private college.
Do you have any aim?
Sir, my aim is, sir, ki I will I will do 5 year job in army, and I will retire retire from army, and I will prepare civil exam, railway, and ASI, service inspector.
Okay, you will do preparation for other government jobs. You will get
Yes,
retirement
sir.
after 5 years.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. And tell me about your hobby. What is your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is playing volleyball, sir.
Okay. So Rajesh, your hobby is playing. Okay. You like to play.
Yes,
And right now you are in Indian Army. After a
yes.
few years, you would like yourself to be in Indian Administrative Service or in other government jobs. So why there is a variation? I think if you like to play, then you should move towards sports. And here you are planning for becoming IAS, and you are going in the you want to go in the civil services. And right now you are in Indian Army. So why this variation is there in your life? Why you are not stable? You are not focusing only on one thing. And one more thing I
Sir,
would like to ask. One more thing I would like to ask. Why do you want to leave Indian Army job? Don't you like it?
sir, I was little. I decided I have go to army, sir, and
Okay.
that's why I joined joined in army, sir.
Okay. But your dream has come true. You have joined Indian Army, right? So why do you want to
Yes,
leave? After completion of 15 years, you are saying that I will get retirement. Why? Why don't you want to work for more years?
sir. Uh, there is no problem, sir. But all life, uh, all life disconnect my family, sir,
Okay.
and I and brothers and relationships.
You
That's
want
why
to live with your family, right?
yes, sir. I took decision,
But
sir. I
when
took
you
decision.
become but when you become civil servant, then also you will be away from your family. You
No,
will not.
sir. There is sir there is a state government job, sir. Where
Okay.
is a big where is put on family, sir.
Okay. So you mean to say when you get other government jobs, you can keep visiting your family members, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. And from where did you complete your schooling?
Sir, I completed school in 2010, sir, in government higher secondary school, Ratnama, sir.
Okay.
I
So you studied from convent school or it was a Hindi medium?
I Hindi medium, sir.
Studied from Hindi medium, and it was a co-education or separate education?
Sir, co-education, sir.
It was co-education.
Sometimes, sir, I studied sometimes co-education, sometimes separate education, sir.
Okay. Do you have any other degree, diploma, certificate you have, or you have done only BSc?
Uh, Sir, I have no other degree and no diploma, sir.
Okay, you have done
Only,
only BSc. So how
only
did you get
yes, yes, sir.
selected? How did you get selected in Indian Army? Did you face any written
Sir, my,
exam or you faced any
yes, sir.
physical exam? What was the process? Tell from the starting.
Sir, first I, 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 how कैसे run करना run
Hmm?
किया
Sorry,
how to say run किया
I ran.
sir. First I ran and after I jumped and uh, made,
Okay, you mean to
then
say you faced a physical test first.
first physical test after medical and after exams, sir.
Okay, in physical, first of all, you had to run. Then there was a long
Yes,
jump,
sir.
I think. After the long jump,
Yes,
what
sir.
was there?
Sir, before timing, I jump. I have jumped 18 feet length, sir.
No, after the
Now
jump,
time.
what was
Now,
there? Only two things were there, running and jumping, or any other?
no, sir. No, sir. Chin up and pull
Okay,
up.
okay.
Yes, sir.
And did they measure your height and chest also?
Yes, sir. So he have to height one minimum 167 and maximum no limit, sir.
Okay, okay, right. And after that, was there any written test?
Yes, sir. I wrote, sir.
You faced written test also. In written test, what was the syllabus?
Sir, some general knowledge, some math, some physics, some chemistry. 25 marks math and 25 marks chemistry, 25 marks physics, and 25 marks general knowledge, sir.
Okay, you cleared that. After that,
Total 100 marks.
medical must have happened
Yes,
after
sir.
that.
All checkup, sir, in medical.
All the checkups happened. Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Uh, uh, was there any problem in the medical or it cleared properly?
No problem, sir. No
No
problem
problem.
in medical, sir. I am fit.
Okay. And right now you are in Himachal Pradesh. Which city are you in?
Uh, sir, in Rampur city, sir.
You are in Rampur
Now
city.
time.
How's the weather there?
There is here good weather, sir.
Good weather. Okay. It's cold or
Yes, sir.
normal or it's hot?
Sir, sometime cold, sometime weather change, and sometime summer.
Okay. As you have told me that your brother is elder to you or younger than you?
No, sir. Elder, only one brother, sir.
You have elder brother. Okay. So he is a
Yes,
teacher. He
sir.
is government teacher or private
Yes,
teacher?
sir. Sir, government teacher, sir.
He is a government teacher. What subject does he
Yes,
teach?
sir. Math. He teach math subject, sir.
It's maths. Okay. Great.
Sir.
So what classes does he teach?
Uh, 10th, 11th, 12th.
10th, 11th, 12th, higher classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's nice. Good. So you
He
basically
has he
belong.
has
Okay.
he has done MSc and plus B.Ed.
Okay, that's great. And what's your job timing? What time do you go to your office and what time do you come back?
I I
Hmm.
sir.
Yes,
I
I'm
have
talking
brother.
about you.
I
I'm talking about you.
uh, okay, sir. I have go to 9 a.m. and I come 5 p.m.
Okay. Now tell me about your liking and disliking also. What do you like? What do you dislike?
What about, sir?
In anything, what do you like? Means what do you like to do? You like adventurous things, you like to play, you like to study, you like to visit. What do you like?
Okay, sir. Only I like sir play,
You like to
and I
play
am
only.
not interested and not watch movie.
Okay, you
No
are not
interest.
interested
Only
in any
my
other
interest.
things. What's
Yes,
your
sir.
what's your favorite game?
Volleyball, sir, and
Volleyball
cricket.
is your favorite game. Okay. Do you play it every day?
Yes. There is no place, sir. I go to live at home. I play every day, sir. I
Okay.
play
And
every day.
what do you dislike?
Dislike, sir. I watch movie and
You dislike watching movies.
yes, sir.
Okay.
And visiting.
You dislike visiting also.
There is, sir, park. I dislike park visiting.
Okay. Now
I
tell
like
me.
them.
Hmm.
I like to go to temple
Okay.
and yes, sir.
Tell me about your negative and positive also.
My negative points, sir. I get quick angry and con- I am control my anger and I
Okay,
am
you're
doing
trying to
control
control
my
your
anger.
anger. You get angry very soon. This is a negative, and you're trying to control your anger. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but it suits you because you are a soldier, so it suits your personality. It suits your profession. No need to control it. When it is required, it should be shown. When it is not required, you should be calm. That's it. Anger is not that much bad.
But
Sometimes it is required to kill the enemy. Okay, what is your positive?
whenever I go, sir, he just stuck in any problem. I am I think I try to help them.
You are very helping person,
Yes, yes,
helpful
sir.
to others. Okay, that's very nice.
Otherwise,
Okay, before the army, before joining army, had you worked somewhere?
yes, sir. I I was works at home, sir.
You used to work at home. Why you did not
Yes,
do
sir.
private job before joining Indian Army?
Sir, sir, I passed 12th in 2011. I took admission to 2010 in college, and I
Okay, directly you
joined
came in army.
in army.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rajesh, it was nice talking to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.